Hello, music lover. Today I'll show you how you can easily fix any Samsung Buds low volume problem, and increase sound volume back to new earbud level. The main problem why all in-ear and earbuds headphones get low volume over time is earwax. Quite simply, this problem is called earwax. Each of us produces earwax in different amounts, but it tends to get absorbed by the headphone's ear protection grills and the filters below grills, so the sound is blocked and you get a very quiet sound in your ear, just low volume. As you can see from the decibel sound level measurements, these Samsung Galaxy Buds are practically silent, barely audible, but trust me, I show you how you in the simple way can increase the sound volume back to the new earbud level, or even they will be louder than new. To do this cleaning procedure, you need to find a hydrogen peroxide 3% concentration solution. It dissolves earwax perfectly. Then the universal cleaning pen for headphones will come in handy. Link to it is in the video description. But if you don't have one, don't worry. You can use your grandmother's toothbrush, but don't forget to put it back later. And you'll also need unused cotton buds. The first task is to remove both earbud rubber tips. Then moisten the cotton bud richly with hydrogen peroxide, and with this moist cotton bud clean the metal mesh of the earbuds. This way you moisten the earwax and it starts to become loose. Once the metal mesh is wet, use the cleaning pen or a soft toothbrush to clean the mesh. The idea is to use the toothbrush small hairs to get into every little hole in the metal mesh, to cleaning the earwax from these small holes. Then with a new, moistened cotton bud, clean both earbud rubber tips. Then clean and dry the tips with a dry cotton bud. Then moisten the cotton bud again richly with hydrogen peroxide and again clean the metal mesh carefully. After a while, scrub them again with a soft toothbrush. Then clean the earbud housing and the earbud rubber tips using alcohol wipes. You can then put on the rubber tips and check if the headphones sound louder. As you can see, they have become much louder, but I know that this will not be enough to damage your eardrums and get sound level like in the concert. So I will now show you the next cleaning method. Get a sharp needle and use it to remove the metal mesh. It won't be easy, because grills are glued in, but after a few hours of work you'll be able to do it just like I did. As you can see, below the mesh there is a fabric filter that holds the earwax. This filter is full of earwax and all the sound doesn't get through. Take these filters out, you won't need them anymore. Then clean the inside of the metal mesh cleanly and carefully with a damp cotton bud, so that the mesh is as clean as new, without earwax in any holes. If there in headphone body is any earwax or glue left, clean it with a needle and then put the clean metal meshes back into the headphone body as they were fitted when new. Put back also the two rubber tips. Turn the music on and enjoy how loud earbuds are now. So now you can sleep comfortably and not hear your grandmother snoring. But remember that listening to loud music for a long time damages your hearing, and you'll be as deaf as your grandmother in old age. Clean also the headphone charging box. That's all. I hope this video saved you from buying new earbuds, and now you've saved a bunch of money. I'd be happy if you could drop some of the dollar you saved via the super thanks button for me, so I can buy my grandma a new toothbrush now. As usual, if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below this video. Good luck, my friend.